Welcome to homework.
Hello, in this question we are given that we have a line segment um, AB, let this be A and B, and there is a point D on the line segment, and a line mu intersects the line AB in the point at the point D. This is the line mu, and the angle of intersection, and it makes an angle 57 degrees 57 degrees. The line mu makes an angle 57 degrees with AB, and it is given that AD, that is D divides AB in the ratio 2:3, so that the length of AD divided by the length of DB is 2/3. Now the question is, what can you say? Now the question is, what can one say about the distance of the line A distance of the point A from the line mu, and the distance of the point B from the line mu. Now drop two perpendiculars and another perpendicular. Let's call this point A prime and this point B prime. Then these two are right angles. Then the distance of the point A from the line mu, let us denote it by this notation. The distance of the point A from the line mu, and let us denote it by this notation. This is equal to the length of A prime. Similarly, the distance of the point B from the line mu is equal to the length of B prime. Now, given that these two are in this ratio, what can we say about these two lengths? That is the question. But look at uh, um, consider, well, in the triangles A prime D and the triangle B prime D, the angle A prime DA is equal to the angle B prime DB, because they are vertically opposite angles for the intersection of the line mu and the line segment AB, because they are vertically opposite angles. And the angle A prime D is equal to the angle B prime D, because they are 90 degrees by construction, because both of them are equal to 90 degrees. Now, hence, we can say that the triangle A prime D is similar to the triangle B prime D by the angle similarity criterion, because yeah, by the angle similarity criterion. Okay, once we have that, we can see that the what once we have that we can see that the length of AD divided by the length of the corresponding side in this angle, which is equal to dB, the length of BD is equal to the length of A prime divided by the length of B prime, and the length of A prime. Um, hmm. But we know that the length of AD to the length of BD is 2 by 3. This ratio is 2 by 3. So this implies that this ratio is 2 by 3. This implies that this ratio is 2 by 3. But this ratio is the ratio of the distances. So this implies that distance of A from mu divided by the distance of B from mu must be equal to um, 2 by 3. This is the conclusion that we can get from this. Uh, this is the conclusion we can get. Now in part B, it is given that suppose we change this ratio from 2 by 3 to from 2 by 3, we replace 2 by 3 by the ratio m by n. Then how does this ratio of distances gets affected? We can see that all of this analysis will still be true, but here we will have m by n. So that finally, what will happen is finally what will happen is the value of this ratio will become m by n. So that if AD by dB, the length of ratio of this length is m by n, this will imply that the distance of A from mu by the distance of B from mu, this will also become m by n. And this completes the solution to this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.